We're live and getting ready for what should be another great NFL matchup. This is it. The season nearly over. It's been a great year with plenty of memorable moments and incredible plays. Today's matchup promises more of the same as the Denver Broncos.
Good ball tails. Oakland has won the toss and chooses to receive.
They're lined up for the kickoff, so let's get this game started. Elam is just about ready to kick this one away. He gets the kick away. He wants to give his team good field position here. The Raiders will start the drive from the 19. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 19. The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. Looking to throw. Looking for a receiver. Rolling out to his left. Throwing. Nice connection. And he stopped at the 36-yard line. So they have 1st and 10 here. Looking to throw. Rolling right, looking for a receiver. And he steps out of bounds at the 36-yard line. Back to the line of scrimmage, but that's all. Right, 2nd down and 10 to go. Set. He's going to throw. He surveys the field. Price pulls him down at the 33. Number 1 trying to pick up some yardage on his own on that play.
The defense held their positions and didn't let him get very far.
It's 3rd down and 7 to go. They'll go with a pass. Looking for a receiver. And he's tackled at the 32-yard line. 1-yard gain on that play. They need 6. Ball on the 32-yard line. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. Quick drop. Rolling out to his right. Throwing. Garner just couldn't find a way to come up with that one. Now I've got the question going for it so early in the game. John, what do you think?
I don't know. I wouldn't do it. That's why you have special teams and defenses, so you don't have to worry about giving the ball right back on 4th down.
Drops back. Greasy passes it right. The 40, the 30, the 20, the 10. He made sure he got that one in there in a hurry.
You hear that sound as that guy made the catch? He threw it so hard he almost knocked his receiver out of the end zone.
Set. The kick is up. The extra point attempt is good. I guess you could say the key play on this drive was, well, the only play that went for 6.
That's pretty impressive if you ask me. Anytime you can score right when you get the ball, that's quite an accomplishment. It sure deflates the defense.
Elam looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off. He sends this one toward the end zone. Number 31 will return this one.
This is where you want to be able to respond. You also don't want to panic because it's only the 1st quarter.
It's 1st and 10. Set. Quick drop. Looking for a receiver. Rolls left. Throws it. Porter, the intended receiver. Number 1 fires a bullet, but nobody comes up with it.
He just threw that pass too hard. The receiver might have caught up with the ball if he used a little more touch.
2nd and 10. Set. Looking downfield. Rolling out to his right. With the throw, he hits his receiver. And he stopped at the 41. Brigham displayed great leaping ability to get up and make the catch.
Some of these guys have the skills to play other professional sports if they had wanted, and really a chance to show off when they do things like that.
It's 1st and 10. Set. Drops back. Looking for an option. Number 1 lets it fly. Knocked down. A hard, tight spiral, but it falls to the ground incomplete.
If he throws it any harder, the skin might come off the ball.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Set. Looking to pass. Looking downfield. Can't bring him down. Price takes him down at the 38, and that tackle gives him 3 in the game. 3rd and 7. Dropping back. And he's tackled at the 27-yard line. He made the play with his feet rather than his arm there.
It's just so frustrating as a defense when a quarterback takes off and makes a play, because that's just one more thing you have to defend against.
Only one man in the backfield. Dropping back. Loose ball. The Broncos grab the live ball. Across midfield. The 40, the 30, the 20, the 10. And he's in for the touchdown. They brought it all the way back for a touchdown.
The only thing worse than a turnover is a turnover that leads to a touchdown.
And it's on its way, and he tacks on the extra point. Elam is just about ready to kick this one away. He kicks it off. Loose ball. The Raiders scoop it up. So they have 1st and 10 here. Number 1 gets set, drops back, looking downfield. Free. 40, and he's brought down at the 44.
At the end of the first quarter, the score is Oakland.
And we're ready to start the second quarter. So they have 1st and 10 here. Back to pass. Looking for an option. Missed tackle. It's up for grabs. The Broncos grab the live ball. Great play by the defense to recover the fumble.
Yeah, they were right there to jump on the ball.
It's 1st and 10. The Broncos line up with 2 tight ends. Man in motion. Greasy gives the ball off. And the defender brings him down at the 41. Davis was stopped before he could go anywhere.
Yeah, because those big old defensive linemen pushed those big old offensive linemen backwards.
Looking to throw. Greasy throws left. He hits his receiver. Quick decision by the quarterback on that play.
That one was thrown so hard, I think it took the air right out of the receiver.
They're just about in field goal range. Ball on the 45-yard line. Sharp in motion. A little juke step. And he's stopped at the 36-yard line. 9-yard gain. It's 2nd down and 1 to go. So 2 minutes left before halftime. One yard to go. Ball on the 36-yard line. The Raiders are in the offset I formation. Harris gets right in there and brings him down. The offensive line didn't get much of a push on that play, and the runner is stuffed.
As soon as he got the ball, there was a defender in his face to knock him down. On a 3rd and short situation like this, the defense has to be ready for anything.
3rd and 3. Ball on the 38-yard line. Looking downfield with the pass. Hits the target with the pass. Touchdown, Broncos. The defender was caught out of position on the score.
Yeah, the defenders were looking one way while the play was going the other.
And it's up. The point after is good.
Kick is good.
Elam is just about ready to kick this one away.
Number 42 and number 31.
He sends it off. The returner takes the ball and heads upfield.
Now you start to look around and you figure, who are the go-to guys? The guys who can respond and get this game close again.
It's 1st and 10. Four-man front this time. Back to pass. Looking downfield. Number 1 rolls left, throwing left. The defender broke that play up. He gunned that one.
He might want to put a little more touch on that type of pass. Now the defense just can't be trying to strip the ball here. The last thing they want to do is let him get a first down and run out the rest of the clock. If they can hold him these next 2 downs, their offense might get the ball back.
Looking for an option. And he's tackled at the 25. He broke that one for a solid game.
And if you're on defense, you hate this. You have everybody covered, and then the quarterback takes off on you and gets a big gain.
Looking to throw. Price makes the stop at the 26-yard line. That run didn't get them much.
Yeah, there was a defender in every gap ready to make the tackle on that play.
About 2 to go. Looking downfield. And he's tackled at the 32. Number 1 did a nice job breaking away on that carry.
Yeah, and the offensive line had a lot to do with that one. If your line could clear out a hole like that, it makes picking up those first downs a lot easier.
1st and 10. The quarterback gets set with only 1 back behind him. Looking downfield. Steps up. Goes to the left side. And he makes, no, he can't hold it in. Number 52 got a hand on it.
And they're lucky that one fell incomplete. A lot of these tips get gobbled up by the defense.
So it's 2nd and 10. Only 1 man in the backfield. He's looking to pass. Looking for an option. Throws it. And he makes the grab. He makes a terrific catch for the first down.
That quarterback is really special. Not only does he have the arm, but he can also guide it in there with some touch if he needs to.
So they have 1st and 10 here. 6th play of this drive. Looking to pass. Looking for an option. And he's stopped at the 23. Number 1 did a great job of making something out of nothing on that play.
The quarterback felt some pressure coming from the outside. He decided to pull it down and run with it.
Garner, the lone back. They'll go with a pass. Can't bring him down. And he's brought down at the 15.
Face mask on the defense, number 51.
Well, there's an injury on the play, and we'll go to the sideline as soon as we get the information.
If they can get a field goal here, it'll be a big boost for them when they get into the locker room at halftime.
Ball inside the 10. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. Blitz is coming with the pass, and they're able to connect on that one. The kick is up. The point after is good.
That's a 10-yard penalty.
Set. And it's on its way, and he tacks on the extra point. That's the end of the second quarter with the score. Denver 21, Oakland 7. And we're back. As we get set for the kickoff, here's a look at the halftime stats. Janikowski is back and ready to put this one in the air.
Number 10 to receive.
He gets the kick away. He gets under the kick and fields it clean. Denver comfortably ahead here.
Number 24.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 25.
All us. Come on, D. Big play, D. Big play.
Man in motion.
Pick him up. Come on, defense. Rip it up. Get in there. Run it.
Davis tucks it away. And he stopped at the 26. Couldn't find much of a hole, and he's brought down after a gain of what looks like a couple.
Yeah, you talk about push. This line got no push at all, and there was nowhere to go.
9 yards to go. Ball on their own 26.
Don't let up.
Only one man in the backfield. Greasy hands it off, and he's tackled at the 26-yard line. Davis was dropped behind the line.
Yeah, and if you want to talk about the most effective way to stop the run, it's playing on the other side of the ball. When you get penetration like that, it's very hard for the offense to get positive yardage.
Greasy with a man in motion.
Make it happen, D. Make it happen. Tango. Switch it up.
Dropping back. Short throw. And he hits his target. Great defense to prevent them from getting the first.
You don't run a pattern short of the first down on 3rd down.
Room is just about ready to punt this one away. Number 31 will be looking to give his team good field position here. Number 31 moves under the kick and gets ready for the return. It's 1st and 10. Looking to throw. He's looking. Number 8 throws. Second and 10. Ball on their own 37. 4-man front this time. He's looking to pass. With the pass. Hits the target with the pass. Brown makes the catch. His first of the day. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 34-yard line.
Switch it up.
Lining up with their big set this time. Looking to pass. Looking for a receiver. And he stopped at the 33. He did his best to make something happen there.
Yeah, but the defense contained him. There was no way they were going to let him out. They got after him pretty quickly there.
And they need about 9. He's looking to pass. He surveys the field with the throw. The defender broke that play up. Middlebrooks makes a great play breaking up that pass.
One thing remains constant. No matter what kind of quarterback you are, rushing your throws is going to end up in incompletion or worse.
The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. He's looking to pass. Passing to his right. Nice completion. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 12-yard line. He makes the catch for his first reception of the day. It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 12-yard line. Garner, the lone back. Looking to pass. Number 8 throws right. And it's caught. He threw a great pass, and they get into the end zone.
The quarterback knew that he had to make that pass perfect, and he got the job done on that one.
And it's up. The point after is good. And so they're able to move the ball the distance and punch it into the end zone.
The more touchdown drives, the better. Now they'll go back to the sidelines and see why they were able to beat the defense for 6. And they'll try and repeat those results the next time they get the ball.
Janikowski is back and ready to put this one in the air. He sends this one toward the end zone. The returner already looking upfield. On their last drive, it was 3 plays and out, and now the offense comes out onto the field once again. So they have 1st and 10 here. They'll go from the I formation. Sharp in motion. Davis gets the toss. Moving right. He shakes the defender. Harris pulls him down at the 30. They tried to move the ball on the ground.
A running attack that is consistent and effective will help the offense dictate the pace of the game.
2nd and 8.
Focus, Steve, focus. Get in there, rough him up.
The Raiders line up with 2 tight ends.
Switch. Let's not give him anything. Let's go. Let's go. Wide, wide. Come on, defense.
So we've reached the end of the 3rd quarter with the Denver Broncos ahead of the Oakland Raiders, 21-14. The teams are set for the 4th quarter of play.
Right back. Right the middle. Make it happen, D. Make it happen.
Up the gut, and it looks like they'll mark it at the 29. He was cut down quickly.
He was waiting for something to develop, and whap, he got developed.
And they need about 9.
Tighten up. Tighten up. Tango. Switch it up. Don't let up. All us. Come on, D. Come on, defense. Whip it up. Big play.
Looking for room. Greasy gives the ball off. So that results in a loss of 5.
Loss 6 yards.
Room will come into this game to punt. And we've reached the 2-minute mark. The returner will head upfield with his punt. Let's see if they can have the same sort of success on this possession that they had on their last, picking up a lot of yardage through the air on their way to a score.
What they need here is some yards on 1st and 2nd down so they don't set themselves up with 3rd or possibly 4th and long. The whole field is open to them because there's a decent amount of time left.
Dropping back, throwing. Brown, the intended receiver. He put a little too much on that one.
And he has to be careful. Not only is that pass off target, but it's also a good way to get your receiver down.
2nd and 10. Number 8 gets set. He's looking to pass. Looking downfield. Looking for the long completion. It's batted away. That pass doesn't find its target.
The quarterback tried to put that one through the receiver. They need to get a big chunk of yardage here. An incomplete would make things real tough when they need to keep this drive alive.
Only one man in the backfield. He's going to throw. Steps up into the pocket. Passing right. Pick off.
They've almost got this game won, but they still need to run it to make the defense use their timeouts.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Short, the man in motion. Davis looking for a seam, and he's tackled at the 37. He tried to find a hole and just got what he could.
Yeah, he tried to stretch it outside, but the defense was quick to react to the play, and even quicker to move off their blocks and get in a position to cover the hold.
We're coming. Hey. Make it happen, D. Make it happen. Get it.
Anderson receives the handoff, looking for blockers. He might have gotten a yard or two.
That guy got knocked around by that defense. He needs a little protection from his linemen.
They need 5. Ball on their own 40.
Double, double. One back. Watch the middle. Single, single. Somebody get over there. Get over there. Watch him. Watch him. Focus, D. Watch him. Watch him.
The 50, the 40, the 30, the 20, the 10. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 1-yard line. Davis really covered some ground there.
He really did. He blew past the line into the secondary and picked up the first down. They've got the lead in the ball, so they should just be calling dive plays to run out the clock.
So it's 1st and goal. Ball 1 inch out. We've updated our turnover stat, and it looks like this. The final score is Denver 21, Oakland 14. On behalf of EA Sports, John Madden and Melissa Stark, this is Al Michaels saying goodbye and inviting you to join us in our next presentation of Madden NFL 2003.